What's up, y'all? It is Breakpoint. Today we're making pasta al Nerano. I hope y'all enjoy. What's up, y'all? As I said a second ago, we're making pasta al Nerano. And so what we got some fresh basil, pecorino romano, and then we got some zucchinis here. We sliced some extra ones over there. I have two different batches for this. These ones I'm going to save to put on the side. That way they're still relatively crunchy. Uh, but we have the circular, fully sliced zucchinis, and we're just going to mix that up in the sauce, and we'll meet you at the stove. All right, guys. So we got our pasta water boiling. I already added some salt to it. You just add about a tablespoon or two. Call that good. Now we're going to fry up our zucchini. Throw that all in there. And we're going to wait till it's about golden brown on each side. And like I said before, we had some. Should look like that on both sides, okay? And we'll be right back when this is all done frying, and we'll show you the finished product for these. All right, so we're flipping these. You see what they look like? I showed you once before. I'm going to show you again. This is exactly what they should look like. Nice and golden brown. That one's not done yet. And we'll leave these ones for the side of the pasta. That way you have some bite left in some of the zucchini and they're not just mush, because that's what essentially we're doing. We're going to mush the other ones that we fried already in with some pasta water. So we'll be right back. All right, folks, our pasta water is boiling. I'm just going to put it in there. I'm going to leave it. Don't touch it. You don't got to do nothing with it, okay? And now we got our pan over here. I'm going to drizzle some olive oil in there. We got extra virgin, the good stuff. But, always do it within your budget if you need to, okay? So we got some garlic confit that we made the other day. And so I'm just going to throw that in there. It was from our bread. And you can see the link in the description for that. We'll be eating a slice of that with this today. And now all you have to do is just cook it in there for a little bit. You can just use regular garlic. I'm just using what I had on hand. It's already peeled, so it's good to go. So we're going to let this cook for about a minute. It's already golden brown, so we're just going to let the flavors soak in there, and we'll be right back. To make this even smell better than what it already is, put in some butter. Butter and garlic smells divine. You'll get an extra little flavor in there, a little boost to your pasta. So we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna saute this for a little longer, and we'll be right back. All right, so now our garlic is in there. You can take it out if you want to. You don't have to. Throw the zucchini that you want to make with the sauce back in the pan. Grab a wooden spoon. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab some of this pasta water and throw it in there. Oh yeah. You turn your heat down to medium low. Grab two ladles, throw it in there. You're gonna just mush this around. Doesn't have to be completely mushed, just enough to where the zucchini flavor comes out. And we also got that garlic in there. Okay, and we'll be right back and we'll show you the finished product of what this is supposed to be. All right, folks, this is what the finished product should look like. Right, so you don't have to mush it all the way. You can. I didn't do it like that because I want some zucchini chunks in there. But when the pasta is done, you want it al dente because we're going to cook it a little longer in here. And all right, folks, our pasta is al dente. All we're doing, taking out, throw it in the pan. And I turn the heat on low. You can turn it completely off if you like. Just as long as you have enough heat in there to melt the cheese, right? And I'm losing some pasta noodles. Try to get everything in there. I think I got it all. Okay, so now we're just going to mix this all together. Make sure you get all the flavor and the sauce mixed around. Like I said, it's like making carbonara almost. It's a fairly simple recipe. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some pepper, throw it in there, okay? And now you take your Romano, and if you need to, you can add some more of the pasta water. So we're just gonna mix this around until it melts. If you need to add more liquid, if it's too thick for you, definitely grab another ladle of pasta water. But we're just gonna let this melt, and it's basically done. We're just gonna put some fresh basil on top right after all of this cheese melts, and we'll be right back and show you what it looks like when it's all plated up. All right, folks, this is what it looks like when it's all plated. I'm gonna add just a little more fresh pepper, and you can always add extra cheese. That is a given. And then take some fresh basil and throw that on top. Look at that. That looks scrumptious. All right, y'all. Now it is the best part of the video. It's the taste test. But we want to give a special shout out to you, LBJ. Thank you so much for putting this request in. We're definitely going to be making this a lot more. It smells fantastic. I haven't even tried it yet, but y'all, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If you want to see more content, click the bell. And like I said, like I always say, if you want to see us make something, one of your favorite dishes, let us know in the comments. Shoot us an email. We'll respond to it and we'll give you a shout out. All right. So now, oh, also our artisan bread is in the link in the description. It'll be over here on the side too. But I'm really excited to try this. Oh man, I could eat this every day. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, LBJ, again for requesting this because this is delicious.
It's now going to be a staple in the house. It's a house staple.
Definitely a house staple. But thank you all so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed. Let us know how yours turned out, and we'll see you next time.